Join me as I take on the challenge of connecting with the cosmos in real time. Can I really tap into the universe's energy and feel that cosmic connection? You know, I've always been fascinated by the idea of connecting with the cosmos. It's this vast, mysterious expanse that holds so many secrets, and yet, we're all a part of it. Connecting with the cosmos, for me, is about tapping into that sense of wonder, that sense of awe, and really understanding our place in the universe. It's about recognizing that we're not separate from the universe, but a part of it, and that our lives are intricately connected to the rhythm of the cosmos. We live in a world that's constantly distracting us from our cosmic connection. Our phones, our social media, our busy schedules, they all conspire to keep us grounded in the mundane, rather than encouraging us to reach for the stars. And when we're stuck in this routine, it's easy to feel disconnected from the universe. We start to believe that we're small, insignificant, and that our lives are irrelevant in the grand scheme of things. But the truth is, we're not small, we're not insignificant, and our lives are a part of something much bigger than ourselves. We're constantly bombarded with stimuli, from the moment we wake up to the moment we go to bed. Notifications, emails, texts, social media updates, it's a never-ending stream of information that's designed to keep us engaged, but ultimately leaves us feeling drained and disconnected. And when we're in this state, it's hard to feel that cosmic connection. We start to feel like we're just cogs in a machine, rather than beings that are capable of experiencing the universe in all its glory. I think that's why so many of us feel unfulfilled, even when we have everything we need. We're not fulfilled because we're not connected to the universe, because we're not tapping into that sense of wonder and awe that comes from recognizing our place in the grand scheme of things. We're not connected to the universe, and so we're not connected to ourselves. When we take the time to slow down, to breathe, to look up at the stars, we start to feel that cosmic connection. We start to feel like we're a part of something bigger than ourselves. Meditation is a great way to do this. When we meditate, we quiet the mind, we calm the body, and we allow ourselves to tap into the energy of the universe. We start to feel that sense of oneness, that sense of unity, and we start to recognize that we're all connected. Stargazing is another way to connect with the cosmos. There's something about looking up at the stars that puts things into perspective. It reminds us of our place in the universe, and it reminds us of the beauty and the mystery of it all. And when we understand celestial events, like eclipses and planetary alignments, we start to feel like we're a part of a much bigger plan. We start to feel like we're connected to the rhythm of the universe. Did you know that scientists have discovered that the universe is still expanding? It's mind-blowing to think about. The universe is still growing, still evolving, and we're a part of it. We're not separate from it, we're not outside of it, we're a part of it. And when we recognize this, we start to feel that cosmic connection. I had an experience recently that really drove this point home for me. I was out in nature, lying down on a hill, looking up at the stars. It was a clear night, and the stars were shining brightly. And as I lay there, I started to feel this sense of oneness, this sense of unity with the universe. It was like I was tapping into the energy of the cosmos, and it was flowing through me. It was an incredible feeling, and it really drove home the importance of connecting with the cosmos. The universe is full of mysteries, and one of the biggest mysteries is the nature of consciousness. Scientists are still trying to figure out how consciousness works, how it arises, and what its relationship is to the brain. But one thing is certain, our consciousness is connected to the universe. When we tap into the energy of the cosmos, we start to recognize that our consciousness is part of a much bigger whole. Connecting with the cosmos is not just about feeling a sense of wonder and awe, it's about transforming our lives. When we recognize our place in the universe, we start to live our lives differently. We start to see the world in a new light, and we start to understand that our lives are a part of something much bigger than ourselves. So, let's recap. Connecting with the cosmos is about recognizing our place in the universe, and tapping into the energy of the cosmos. It's about feeling that sense of wonder and awe, and understanding that our lives are a part of something much bigger than ourselves. If you've had any experiences connecting with the cosmos, I'd love to hear about them in the comments below. And if you're new here, consider subscribing for more videos on personal growth, spirituality, and connecting with the universe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.